Take the sling. Wear it like a shirt. Unfold both flaps. Check that the backrest fits snugly to the body. Pull the flaps to make the band adhere to the body to position the baby at the right height. Create space for the baby by lowering the intersection of the flaps with your hands. Place the baby on your chest at shoulder height, supporting the head and back. Remove the flap opposite the baby and surround the leg. Place it well in the groove of the knee. Repeat the procedure, placing the baby on the other shoulder, placing the other flap in the crook of the knee. Accompanying the child to the center of his body, making him sit down on the intersection, the child assumes the physiological end position of the legs. Retrieve the innermost flap of the X. Stretch the fabric well behind the baby's back from one knee to the other. Fit the fabric under the still draped flap. Repeat the procedure also with the external flap. Stretching the fabric from one knee to the other. Make sure that the baby's back is properly supported, with open flaps and open airways. Adjust the tension if necessary by pulling the flaps forward past the loops. Take the support band. Wrap it carefully behind the baby's back. Close with a double knot behind your back. If the child is small, you can decide to cover his feet to give a sense of contentment. To extract the baby, uncover the feet. Untie the knot of the support band. Keeping the baby safe, open the cross flap starting from the outermost one. Completing with the innermost one. Take the baby with both hands under his armpits, pulling it up and out.